We're going to be looking at OpenDAO and what's happened with the crash in the last 24 hours, what they're doing to stabilize the coin, and what this means for your investment. So first of all, let's take a look at what's going on. Over the last 24 hours, you can see how much it's dipped, and we're using CoinGecko to see what's going on. At this time, we're seeing where we're at negative 31. So we're down here right now, and this isn't encouraging. But what are they doing? What is the team doing to look like to stabilize what's going on with the token? I want you to look at the new OpenDAO.com. They've added now farming, right? So you could initiate the claim, get all those things. Now they're looking at liquidity incentives. It mentions 10% of the total SOS is reserved for liquidity incentives. And this is now live on app.sushi.com/farm. And so we're looking at right here in the price in USD. It's looking at total value locked, 8.63 million, and the APY at 950.47. That's interesting. So we can see that they're trying to do something in order to help what's going on with the massive, the influx of people leaving and cashing out. Now, you're seeing this on Twitter and a couple other places, what they're doing with other companies try to stabilize. For example, you're seeing with shop.io, you're getting incentives. And also, too, if we're looking back a couple days, we're seeing with this project how they're partnering. It says 20% of our token supply will be given to staked SOS holders over the next 4 years. So you're looking at other projects really try to be able to help and do this. Will it help? Time will tell. Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you staking, or are you deciding to already take all your profits out? This is pretty interesting to see. Now, what does this mean? Of course, this isn't financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. But if you're looking over the next 24 hours, it kind of depends on what are you doing. Are you just holding? And since the beginning when you claimed, have you been holding? Have you been selling off half at a time? It really depends on your strategy, but it also is encouraging on the other side that they're already thinking about incentives and stabilize. I looked at that on Twitter just a couple days ago. They've been doing this for the last 48 hours to already initiate this. We see the sell-off was really this morning and things like that. We're going to see what happens in the next 24 hours. But let me know what's going on with you. And if you like this kind of news and you want to hear more, make sure that you like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section down below. We'll be sure to put out more videos. I'll see you in the next video.